Plant FAQs, Cordia Boissieri. For those seeking a low-maintenance, year-round bloomer, the Cordia Boissieri, also known as the Mexican olive, is a dream come true. This resilient tree boasts attractive features and thrives in warm climates. Here, I answer some of the most common questions about this captivating plant. What makes the Cordia Boissieri special? The Cordia Boissieri stands out for its evergreen appeal. Unlike many flowering trees, the Cordia Boissieri maintains its lush green foliage year-round, adding a touch of life to your landscape even in colder months. However, in areas with harsh winters, it may experience some leaf loss due to frost damage. Year-round blooms. This delightful tree isn't shy about showing off its beauty. It produces fragrant, white flowers with yellow throats throughout the year, with a particularly stunning display in late spring and early summer. Adaptability. The Cordia Boissieri is a champion of tolerance. It flourishes in full sun and thrives in well-drained soil, making it suitable for various landscapes. Low maintenance. Once established, this easygoing tree requires minimal watering, especially in its natural habitat. Regular watering is crucial during the initial establishment phase, but mature trees are surprisingly drought-tolerant. How does the Cordia Boissieri compare to other flowering trees? Here's a quick comparison of the Cordia Boissieri with some popular flowering trees. Crepe myrtle, Lagerstroemia. Both trees favor full sun and boast vibrant blooms. However, the crepe myrtle blooms for a shorter period, typically in summer, and requires slightly more watering. Texas redbud, Cercis canadensis var. Texensis. While both offer beautiful flowers, the Texas redbud blooms in spring for a limited time and prefers slightly more moisture than the Cordia Boissieri. Desert willow, Calopsis linearis. Both are drought-tolerant and thrive in hot climates. However, the desert willow blooms sporadically throughout the summer, while the Cordia Boissieri puts on a more consistent floral display. How to care for Cordia Boissieri. Planting your Cordia Boissieri is a breeze. Timing. The good news is you can plant this tree year-round. However, spring or fall might be preferable to avoid the harsh summer heat. Location. Choose a spot with full sun exposure and well-drained soil. Avoid areas with constant shade or poorly draining soil, which can lead to root rot. Watering. Water your newly planted Cordia Boissieri regularly until established. Once mature, it requires minimal supplemental watering, especially in regions with moderate rainfall. Fertilizer. While not strictly necessary, a balanced fertilizer applied in early spring can promote healthy growth and even more blooms. Is the Cordia Boissieri fast-growing? The Cordia Boissieri has a moderate growth rate, typically reaching a height of 5 to 7 meters, 16 to 23 feet, at maturity. Are the fruits of the Cordia Boissieri edible? The yellow-green fruits of the Cordia Boissieri resemble olives, but are not considered palatable for human consumption. However, some wildlife might enjoy them. Can the Cordia Boissieri be grown indoors? While technically possible, the Cordia Boissieri thrives outdoors in full sun. Growing it indoors would require a very sunny location and possibly supplemental lighting to maintain its health and flowering habits. Is the Cordia Boissieri pest-resistant? The Cordia Boissieri is generally pest and disease-resistant, making it a low-maintenance addition to your landscape. Can the Cordia Boissieri be pruned? Yes, the Cordia Boissieri can be pruned to maintain its desired shape or size. Pruning is best done in late winter or early spring when the tree is dormant. With its easygoing nature, year-round blooms, and attractive foliage, the Cordia Boissieri is a captivating choice for any warm-climate garden. Its low-maintenance requirements make it ideal for busy homeowners who still desire a touch of floral charm in their outdoor space. So, if you're looking for a reliable bloomer that adds beauty and life to your landscape, consider planting a Cordia Boissieri. You won't be disappointed.